everyone, welcome to Let's Learn English with Sanjna. So in this video I'm gonna tell you that if you really want to learn this language and if you don't able to understand that what the people or person who are speaking in English in front of you and you are not able to understand that word, so watch this video till the end, so you will get the knowledge which steps you have to follow. First thing, okay, if you are a beginner, and really this video will help you a lot. Okay, so first thing what you have to do, you have to learn tense rule. Yes, tense rule is very important because without tense we can't understand this language. Okay, and second thing, you have to learn verb forms. Yes, tenses and verb forms both are connected each other. Okay, so if you are not able to understand what the person or people who are speaking in English, so if you are not able to understand, so you have to learn tenses and verb forms. Okay, because in the with the help of tenses we can categorize our tenses, that what the people they are saying at what time. Okay, like a tenses gives us knowledge that what the action has done, okay, at what time, right? For example, I eat, मैं खाती हूँ. Okay, I ate, मैंने खाया. I will eat, मैं खाऊंगी. I was eating, मैं खा रही थी. I am eating, मैं खा रही हूँ. मैं खाऊंगी, I will be eating. Okay, so this is how you can understand with the help of tense and with the help of verb that at what time work has done, right? So you have to learn verb forms and tenses. Okay, I can say it is a key point of this language. Okay, as you know, this is not our mother tongue, right? It is a foreigner language, and this is this in nowadays this English is become a compulsion for us. Okay, and it's a like a beautiful, I can say, Hindi is also a beautiful our language, and this language is also a good language. Okay, so first of all we have to learn tenses rule and verb forms. Okay, now third thing what you have to do, you have to do make tenses, sentences. Okay, once you able to understand that the action has done at what time, so you just take any verb, okay, and try to make more sentences in different tenses rule. Okay, so you will be able to understand and you will able to form sentences easily. You can able to understand all the things in English. Okay, in the beginning stage it will going to really bore to you, and it will really become hectic to you. But if you really want to learn this language, if you really passionate about this language, so you have to take this challenge. Okay, because if I tell you about myself, so when I was beginner, when I started my English journey, that time if I saw any English speaker, if I saw any English movies or stories, okay, or if I listen any song in English, that time I love to listen, right? But I was not able to understand what the person and what are the things they are saying in English. Okay, little things I was able to understand, but full things I was not able to understand. So what I did, I started to learn tenses, okay, and verb forms also with the along with their meaning. Okay, so you have to all you have to do this thing also. So my dear friends, follow those steps. In beginning stage, learn tenses, learn verb forms, and make more and more sentences. Okay, and after that you try to make paragraph also, and try to speak it by yourself in front of mirror, right? And try to explore new words. Okay, and one thing you have to add in your habit, that you just read at least one page in English, and aloud. Okay, loudly you have to read. And you when you speak now, that time your mind will open and your ear will open, so it will set in your conscious mind. Okay, and try to do this in a single day. Okay, every single day you have to do this. Okay, so if this video is helpful for you, so like, share and subscribe the channel for more videos. Thank you for the watching.